Solar system. The solar system is filled with all kinds of things such as planets, moons, galaxies, stars, and many others you couldn't even imagine. The one that we know of are the 8 planets. Our sun, which is a star. Without the sun, we wouldn't be here today because it gives us heat and energy. And one of the most important light. We also have many galaxies, but the one that belongs to us is the Milky Way galaxy. It gives a very important part in our solar system and converts gas into stars. 8 planets that we have are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. The 8 planets all serve a purpose in our solar system, such as Jupiter. Jupiter is a very big planet and it serves a very good purpose to be a planet. You may know about the asteroid that hit Earth during the dinosaurs. Well, Jupiter is actually a very big planet, making it less risky to get hit by an asteroid. That helps Earth evolve and grow without worrying about asteroids hitting Earth. Jupiter's atmosphere also protects Earth from getting hit because its gravity pulls anything that comes flying by. It's such as big rocks or asteroids that can hit Earth and deal a lot of damage to Earth. You may have heard of Pluto, a very small and long gone planet. It used to be a planet, but because it didn't follow the same things as other planets, it is now a dwarf planet. While we only have one moon on Earth, you may have never thought, but Saturn has an amazing 155 moons. That is a very big number compared to one moon. Jupiter also is very cool because an average day on Earth is a good 24 hours, which is very long compared to 10 hours on Jupiter. This is about how much a normal person sleeps. On the other hand, the planet that has the most hours in a day besides Earth is Uranus, which has 17 hours a day, which is pretty good. We get 7 more hours than Uranus. The hottest planet in the solar system is Venus, with an average temperature of 464 degrees. The coldest planet in the solar system is Uranus, with an average temperature of minutes, 224 degrees. The smallest planet in the solar system is Mercury, and the biggest is Jupiter. Jupiter can be 1,300 Earths because it is very big and powerful. If you took 1,300 Earths, you could not fit them in one Jupiter, which is very cool. The Milky Way is our galaxy, and it has over 200 billion stars in it, which is a lot of stars in one galaxy. The Milky Way is an amazing 13.6 billion years old. The Milky Way is also very dusty and gassy compared to any planets of other galaxies. The Milky Way is also almost as old as the whole universe because when the whole universe started after a while, the Milky Way was a thing and it was alive up to 13.6 billion years, and it is still alive now. You might be wondering how a galaxy forms, so I will explain. Basically, first when there are 2 stars and they come together, they explode. And the explosion is so big that many things can be destroyed that are nearby. After they come together, they form into a galaxy and collects many stars, just like the Milky Way. That has over 200 billion stars, which is very amazing for a galaxy. Scuti is the biggest known star in the universe. So far, it is about 1,700 times bigger than the sun and can make up to 1,000 years to orbit It just wants why you scoot. It is a red supergiant. The smallest star is a bite, smaller than Saturn, and it is a red dwarf star. The big red dot on Jupiter is very cool, and it is a huge storm with red thunder. And it is also cool like a tornado because it is always spinning. The sun is a yellow dwarf and very powerful. If any human looks at the sun, they will be blinded for a few seconds because the sunlight is very strong and powerful. It is also one of the main reasons the Earth and humans are a thing. The sun is about 400.5 billion years old and going back to the Milky Way. The Milky Way is about 3 times older than the sun. The sun is also one of the stars in the Milky Way. The sun's temperature is about 5,000 degrees, which is very hot that not a single human can get near the sun. The sun is also the coolest star to Earth, which is why it appears so big when anyone looks at it. The sun is also made from hydrogen and helium. The color of the sunlight is actually white, but because of the surface of the Earth, it appears to be either red, orange, or yellow. Bye guys, I hope you guys liked this video. Subscribe, like, and share. I'll see you guys next time.